big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. Let's learn a beautiful poem, Leaves in Autumn. Let's get started. You have to complete the sentences. 2 sentences are given over here, so you have to complete. So, first one is be careful when you drive home. It's hard to see because it's so dash, and 2, the leaves are blowing off the trees. It's really dash. Values learned. In this poem, the poet imagined the various leaves in autumn season. Let's enjoy it. Okay, so इस poem में जो poet है वो leaves जो अलग-अलग various leaves है ना autumn season में उनको imagine कर रहा है. So let's enjoy it. Up in the trees there's gentle sigh, for the leaves are whispering goodbye, goodbye. Leaves of yellow, of crimson, of brown, saying goodbye as they flutter down. Up in the trees there's a golden rain of the leaves that ne'er will be green again. Leaves of chestnut, of hawthorn and lime falling from branches of summertime. So देखिए summers आपका autumn season में क्या होता है कि आपकी जितनी भी leaves होती हैं they all shed off. Okay, अब यहाँ पे देखिए different यहाँ पे पेड़ों के नाम बता रहा है poet और उनकी leaves के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि all are shedding off, all plants, all trees are shedding off their leaves. Under the boughs is a carpet bright, which the leaves have made in a single night. Brown of oak leaves and yellow ash, crimson of maple and ruddy splash. और ये leaves को different colors में भी describe कर रहे हैं. All through the woods goes the cruel wind as he drives the leaves with his breath unkind. Leaves that cover and shelter and cling, trembling and frightened of everything. All down the stream on its sullen tide float the leaves like ship in which fairies ride. Ships that hasten to harbor and sigh, winter is coming, goodbye, goodbye. So देखिए जब आपका autumn season होता है इसके बाद आपको पता है आपका winter season आता है तो उससे पहले जितने भी जो plants, trees होते हैं अपनी leaves को shed करते हैं. Okay, so this poem is all about the passing of time and changing of seasons. और यहाँ पे poem जो है वो क्या highlight कर रही है ये जो natural cycle है growth का, okay, and आपका decay and renewal का, right? Moral learned. What moral value do you get by this poem? Write in your own words. So क्या moral value आपको इस poem से मिली है ये आपने अपने खुद के शब्दों में लिखना है. Okay? Let's practice comprehension. A. Take the correct option. Number 1. Up in the trees there is a dash. A. Heavy rain. B. Golden rain. C. Silver rain. And D. No rain. And the answer is option B. Golden rain. B. Complete the lines of the poem. Number 1. Leaves of dash of brown. Okay. So read the poem again and complete all these lines, right? C. Answer the following questions. Questions आपके यहाँ पे given है which are related to poem, so you have to answer them, okay? D. Complete the given sentences. Number 1. The words cover and shelter and cling, trembling and frightened give the impression that someone is scared or someone is frightened, vulnerable and seeking protection or comfort, okay? E. Read the extract and answer the questions. All down the stream on its sullen tide float the leaves like ships in which fairies ride. So ये extract आपने read करना है, answer करना है. Number 1. Where do the leaves fall? So where do the leaves fall? The leaves fall down the stream. F. Sounds and pronunciation. Read aloud the following words, paying attention to the sounds represented by the letters in red. For example, up, under, shut, fund. And ash, as, splash, that. Arm, park, balm and garden. Okay, now write at least 5 words with the following sounds. Circle in the words the letter S that stand each for sound. अच्छा, आपको जैसे कि 5 words लिखने हैं जो sounds आपको given है जैसे कि as in under, as in map, as in farm और फिर आपको circle करना है words में letter S को that stand each for sound. Okay, so do it yourself. Now grammar workshop. Adip और Sanjay के बीच में conversation चल रही है. Adip says, hello Sanjay, will you play cricket with me? Sorry Adip, I'm going with my family to visit my cousin today. Sanjay replies, Adip, that's okay, I'll ask Mihir. Yes, he enjoys playing cricket. We have played with him many times. So Adip, alright, I hope he can bring his bat. Mine is broken. So Sanjay says, oh, you can borrow my bat if yours is broken. Adip, thanks, have a nice time with your cousin. And Sanjay says, thanks, I'm sure we will. Crossroads, the poem describes the falling of leaves in autumn. Find out in which season the leaves grow and what is the condition of the leaves in every season. So autumn में leaves आपकी गिरती हैं, कौन से season में वापस से grow होती हैं और क्या condition होती है leaves की every season में, ये आपको find out करना है.